times the improvisers on stage will be at a loss for words. You guys will know that because you'll feel a gentle tap upon your shoulder like this. It's then your job to fill in the next word or line of dialogue or monologue or whatever is the first thing that comes into your head, okay? So it could be something simple like this.
I'm so thirsty, I sure could go for a glass of
Sprite.
Sprite, yeah!
Or it could be something more complex like this.
The meaning of being a woman is...
So those are perfect. Just say whatever comes into your head. It's our job to try to make it make sense in the scene, okay? So I just need one more thing. What's something that you guys always wanted to be given as a gift, but you never got?
Honey!
Oysters! Okay, all right. This will somehow incorporate drugs. Just give me that gift of drugs.
All right, we'll count down this sure to be classy scene in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Sandra,
Yes?
I found something curious in your sock drawer.
Dad, what are you doing in my sock drawer?
Well, I just had a feeling. You haven't quite been yourself recently, Sandra.
I've been fine.
Sandra, you've normally been a straight A student, and then just last month in chemistry, you
Read a Hustler magazine.
read a magazine.
Listen, Dad, since Mom is dead, I don't know how to be a lady. I thought that maybe if I read Hustler, I would...
Sandra, no, honey, no, that's not being a lady. No, that's... Your mom wasn't anything like those ladies in Hustler.
I wouldn't know anything about that, would I, Dad?
Come here, shh. These are drugs, aren't they?
What? No, those are candy.
Candies, huh? Well, I guess if they're candies, good old Dad can just take a few out and pop them, huh?
Dad, those were delicious. Dad, come Mormons.
You killed me!
Oh, God, I confess, I killed your mom.
What, Dad?
I can't take it anymore. I killed her one day while she was in the kitchen making a pot roast. I
Bark like a dog.
barked like a dog. And she thought it was sexy time. And so she came over to the table and then I
Ate her.
ate her. I'm getting to the murder. When she least expected it, it was delicious. I held her to a false sense of security. And then, while her back was turned, I
Regretted it.
regretted it.
Your regret killed Mom. She could tell that you didn't like her sexy times. Dad, how can I be a lady if you won't show me the chicken? Show me the chicken. Show me the chicken, Dad.
There's the chicken.